Hey, happy Saturday afternoon, at least in my part of the world. Hope everyone's doing, having a beautiful weekend. It's a nice weekend here in Chicago. I want to first welcome you back to my channel. If you've never been here before, there's so much really good resources on trading, our trading partner, our scanners, the app, everything you might need to actually bring consistency to your trading game, so to speak, or your trading journey. So if you're new here, today we're talking about something that you won't find on a chart, but it's just as important as your strategy. So it's positive affirmations for traders. I know it might sound a little bit unusual, affirmations in trading, but trust me, your mindset can make or break your performance just as much as your risk management. I've been through the grind. I have blown accounts. I have revenge traded. I've had doubt creeping in after a losing streak. And what I realized was it just wasn't my technical skills that needed work. It was that little voice in my head. That's where affirmations came in. So first, what are trading affirmations? They're short, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce discipline, confidence, and emotional control. In trading, your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your results. Here's a few examples of affirmations I use. I follow my trading plan with discipline. We all do that, right? Do you do that? Here's another. Losses are part of the game. I stay focused. That's a tough one for sure, right? Because you could lose two trades in a row, then win your next 10. But when you're losing those two trades, are you losing focus as to what the real end game is? Here's another one. I'm patient and a confident trader. Patience, that is so important to trading. When you repeat these daily, especially during high pressure moments, right? You're in the middle of a trade, US 30, New York Open. You train your brain to stay grounded. Let's talk science just for a second. Your brain is wired through neuroplasticity. I can't even say the word. That means every thought you repeat literally strengthens a mental pathway. So if you're constantly saying, I always mess up trades, or I can't handle drawdowns, guess what? That becomes your default belief. But when you flip the script and start saying things like, I trade with clarity, or I trust my process, or I trust the entry model I am mastering, you're building a mindset that supports your success, not sabotage it. So here's how to integrate affirmations into your trading routine. Okay, step one, write down 3 to 5 affirmations that target your weak points, whether that's discipline, fear of missing out, or you're emotional when you react to losses. Step 2, say them every morning, ideally before you even open the charts. Look in the mirror. Say them with conviction, just like how I'm saying it to you right now as you watch this video. Step 3, use them as a reset button. Missed an entry, blew a trade, step away, take a breath, and repeat your affirmations. Step 4, just like how in our trading community of 8 years, we have you journal your trades, right? It's the best way to master an entry model. How about journal your experience? Track how your mindset shifts over time. Because awareness is key to consistency. Let me give you a personal example. When I was struggling with overtrading, before I was a good trader, I was not a good trader. I started repeating this. I wait for high probability, I don't chase. At first, it felt forced, right? It felt fake. But after 2 weeks, I caught myself pausing, breathing, and skipping bad trades. I used to take them out of boredom or fear. It didn't make me perfect overnight, but it changed the way I showed up to the market. I was more calm, I was more focused, and I'm more in control. So here's the bottom line. Trading isn't just a technical game, it's a psychological one. Your mindset determines whether you stick to your edge or sabotage it in the moment emotions kick in. And affirmations, they're your mental armor. So if you haven't tried them, start today. Write just one that resonates with you and say it out loud before the next time you get on the charts. And if you already use affirmations in your trading, drop your favorite one in the comments below, wherever you're finding this on social media. I'd love to hear that. Let's build a list that other traders can use too. Obviously, if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more trader mindset content. Share it with somebody in your trading circle. Remember, you can't control the market, but you can control how you respond to it. Start with your mindset. Start with your words. Start with you. Catch you in the next one. Until then, trade smart, trade patient, and keep your head in the game. Have a great Saturday afternoon, everybody. Bye for now.